Always be fearless. Walk like lion, talk like pigeon, live like elephant, love like an infant child. A lion doesn't concern himself with the opinion of sheep. A lion doesn't fear at the laughter coming from hyena. A lion doesn't have to prove it's a threat. You already know what the lion is capable of. The silent breath of a wounded lion is more dangerous than its roars. Rise and rise again till the lambs become lion and never give up. I have been fighting since I was a child. I am not a survivor, I am a warrior.